With Motive, we've seen a 25% reduction in cell phone usage. We've seen a 10% reduction in distracted driving, and we've seen a 19% reduction in stop sign violations. We are already seeing some instances where Motive has helped exonerate some of our drivers.
My name is Kelver. I'm the U.S. Fleet Manager for EnerCorp Engineered Solutions.
We deal with wells from anywhere from 3,000 up to 15,000 pounds per square inch. All it takes is 75 pounds per square inch to kill somebody. So very dangerous. Corrosive chemicals are also another thing that we deal with. And finally, the remote job sites. We're out in the middle of nowhere.
Before Motive, we were using Geotab. We were just using their telematics. And one of the main issues we had with them was kind of like a lack of contact. But their lack of innovation was another area that bothered me. So the way we structured our trial with Samsara and Motive is we wanted to give equal time to each device. And so I actually personally tested both devices myself in my own vehicle, but we did it across 7 different vehicles.
We noticed that Motive had superior detection. One of the areas that stood out was distracted driving. Another area that stood out against Samsara would be the positive driving behavior recognition. So that's another area Motive has been kind of leading the field in. It's not only being able to detect poor behaviors, but also detect good behaviors and reward drivers.
We were really generally testing the system for accuracy, and we knew that if the system was built well,
then those results would follow. And that's exactly what we're seeing.
We really care about our employees' privacy. And so some of the features that allowed me to be able to convince our executive team that this was the right decision and the right company to work with was being able to disable the audio in cab. And another good feature was disabling livestream. One of the key factors that
EnerCorp looks at when choosing a partner is the roadmap.
And this is an area that Motive stood out in. Motive's roadmap is not only detailed and improving their AI detection, but they're also very concerned with data manipulation and how you can use AI analytics tools to be able to sift through that data. So it's allowing us to quickly shift through large amount of data points to be able to get good actionable results.
In order to bring this technology into a conservative culture, make sure that you are safety oriented, you have servant leadership, and you have the trust of your employees.
People need to understand why you're making a change,
what the problem is, how we're going to solve it, and why we are doing it.